Yeah, no, I'm not joking. Or not kidding. Or I am kidding.
We're Jeff and Amy, and our family is converting a 1994 Bluebird school bus into an RV. In our last video, we completed a number of small projects. We installed the mounting bolts for the roof deck and solar array, kill mat over the engine compartment, our max fan, we also prepped the inside of the bus for spray foam. And then, you guessed it, we spray foamed. Today's the day we're going to install our attic ladder. We need to install that first because our tongue and groove ceiling is going to be coming up to the attic ladder, so we need to have it in place first so we know how to cut our tongue and groove out around it. To do that, we're going to put some brackets up on the ceiling so we can kind of swivel them in place to lock it when we hold our attic ladder in place. So we'll take these two brackets, we'll screw it onto the ceiling, just like this one. So we'll put the attic ladder in place, swivel those to hold them right at the right height, and call it good.
Tight.
Yep. Give it a shove.
Okay. How far
Right.
up?
I'm good. Until that spins.
Like that?
There you go. Yep. There
Okay.
you go. All right. Get some more screws.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to start by pre-drilling the holes through just the wood.
Okay.
So you don't need to hold it level yet.
Okay.
Need someone up here to hold the lid.
Oh, it doesn't just stay up?
No, because it would hold it against the thing, and I definitely don't want the wind to blow it on me.
Oh.
It's like a razor knife.
Yeah.
All right, so go ahead and hold it level. I'm going to drill the driver's side first.
Okay. Okay.
And make sure you don't push up in the center.
Oh.
You gotta twist it.
Okay. Good.
Good?
Yep.
Okay, keep holding. Still good? Okay. I'm gonna move to the front now. Okay, are you at the front?
Yep.
So this one isn't as critical.
Okay.
It just needs to be close. I'm gonna drill the pilot hole through the wood first. Okay, you ready for me to drill metal?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch your eyes for metal shavings. Okay.
Okay.
Still good?
Yep.
All right. I'm coming down. All right, let's see if this falls out of the ceiling or not.
Oh. Or you can try. We'll have to slow-mo that one.
Yeah. Only if I look like Neo from the Matrix. All right. Bait stayed.
Yeah.
Now,
Just walk around carefully.
should we see if it opens?
That's
That's the next step, right? All right, ready?
Yep. Okay. Okay. Cool. Up to the rooftop deck.
Oh.
Cool. Okay.
Very nice.
Yeah. Okay. So then we just trim the ladder once we,
Once we have our finished floor.
yeah.
Amy, how do we know that it's straight?
Okay, so we have a nifty stick that we found that just happened to be the right size. And yeah, no, I'm not joking. Or not kidding. Or I am kidding. Yeah, so this is how we're going to measure so it's centered in our space. So this is good on this side. And then on this side, it's good on that side.
Perfect.
So
Now we have our measuring stick. We can secure it permanently.
yeah.
Awesome.
Yes.
Oh, hello
Hello.
there. So now that we've got it straight, I'm going to drill the holes through the hinges and the spring into the steel without slicing my arms out.
Yeah. It's loud.
Yeah. Ouch.
Hot.
No,
Oh, that?
yeah, it's like a razor blade.
Yeah, we need like a stand or something to hold it.
All right. Okay, straight.
Oh,
I got an extra.
okay.
I'm not very good left-handed.
You're not an Andy Turner?
I'm not an ambi turner as I'm holding the.
The razor
Hopefully the
blade.
camera sees how awkward this lid is right now.
Do you want me up to hold it?
Oh, up here?
The lid. Or
Sure. I mean, it's like 2 seconds worth of work.
Okay, well,
Let me just see. Position a little different.
there we go.
So now there's some spots here at the hinge, but that one is above the metal. So I think I'll go here and here.
Okay.
Hopefully those will hit metal. Let's find out.
Okay.
Although we're gonna need to shim them.
Oh, okay.
Alright, our block is still good.
Yeah.
Alright, we are nice and sturdy.
Okay.
Alright.